Hey folks, Mark here from Fabi. So today I want to show off one of my actually favorite little features in Fabi, and that's pushing DataFrames back to Google Sheets. So one of my beliefs is that more often than not, whether or not we want to admit it, when you share a dashboard with a stakeholder, the first thing they do, again, more often than not, is just export that and bring it to their own spreadsheet, probably because they want to manipulate it, slice and dice it their own way, and or import it to a slide for presentation purposes. So our whole philosophy is meet your stakeholders where they are, and we thought, well, why not just embrace that and push data frames directly after data manipulation, push that data frame back to Google Sheets. And so you can do just that. So here, for example, we have some player stats for NBA player stats. And just a very simple example, but I'm calculating a score for each player to try to figure out like who the best players are. Here we're just doing literally just average number of rebounds and assists and points scored. And then we are scoring each player with those stats with weights applied here. And then we're spitting out the results right here. I'm sure these results, I'm sure plenty of debate around these results, and again, we didn't like weigh this per, tenure and the NBA and all that kind of stuff. But anyways, that's for maybe a topic for another day. Here, for this demo though, I have a sorted data frame. And again, let's say I want to share this with my stakeholder, and I don't necessarily want to create a report within Fabi. I just want to share it as a spreadsheet. I created my G Sheet demo sheet here, and I have my sorted data frame. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to say export to Google Sheets, and it's going to create a service account user here, so I can copy this, and I just have to share this here, and I'm going to make them editor. I don't need to notify them. Hit share. There we go. Sheet URL, just dump that in right here. It's sheet 1, that's correct. And we can test a connection if we want. There we go, connection successful, amazing. I can trigger this to refresh at the same time as my publish report in Fabi. And I can just hit save and push here. And then this will maybe take a second here. There we go, push the data. So I have my player score here. For all my NBA players. So yeah, that's a feature that I want to show off today. And of course, as always, if you have any questions or feedback or thoughts, I'd love to hear it.